Hi guys, I'm Adam, this is Fudge, and this is the all-new Cobra sports car for the MK8 Fiesta ST. We worked with Cobra to develop this sports car. It's 200 cell, TIG welded, and it is a direct replacement for your OEM car. It will fit any GPF that has got the OEM style fixing. Key benefits of a sports car is you get an increase in sound, an increase in performance, and you still retain MOT compliancy. So both ourselves and Cobra are that confident in this product, you get a lifetime warranty. So as you can see, this is what it's replaced. The Cobra cap will be coming soon. We're not showing a price yet, but if you are interested, drop us an email to support@ceuk.org and we'll be able to answer any questions.